Good morning, students. Now we are going to see about the cloud computing topic, storage as a service, STaaS. Storage as a service, it is one of the services in cloud computing. In these slides, we are going to see about the introduction, how does storage as a service work, type of storage as a service solutions, main use cases of storage as a services, and storage as a service benefits and drawbacks, difference between leasing on-premises equipment and STaaS, and then conclusion. Storage as a service. What is a storage as a service? It is managed by service. It is managed service offered by cloud service providers that provides a managed data storage platform. It can be hosted in public cloud or on premises and is typically built based on storage consumption or on a subscription basis. So it is a managed service offered by cloud service provider. The service is created by cloud service provider. Working of storage as a service. Storage as a service products can be leased on a per volume basis or with SLA, service level agreements. The SLAs enforce storage usage conditions such as uptime and access rate. So how many hours the users use the storages, and different storage services tiers for cold, warm and hot data. So based on data type, they provide a different storage services, and service level agreements are essential for supporting business processes. Types of storage as a service. There are three types of storage as a services are available: object based storage for cold data, file storage for navigable hierarchies, block storage for fast access. Use cases of storage as a service. Backup storage, we can use storage as a service as backup storage, storage tiering for cost optimization, data storage for applications, data storage for analytics, collaboration and file sharing, data archiving. Storage as a service benefits: shift cost to operating expenses, scalability and security. And drawbacks: higher long-term cost, limited customization, challenges with provider partnerships. Leasing versus storage as a services. Pricing difference. There is a price difference between leasing and storage as a service, and payment structure is also different from leasing and STaaS. Inclusion of SLO, service level agreement or service level objects, and management responsibility. Conclusion. Storage as a service offers scalable storage solutions. Consider cost, customization, and partnerships. Evaluate your organization need for effective storage solutions. Thank you.